What's going on, people? Looks like a pretty good day today to finally get started on repairing my truck here. And messed up beast mode, so now it's time to try to piece that back together. I got new lights, a new bumper, a new fender, and we'll try to get all that installed today and see how good it looks. So we're ready to get started here. Start with the grill and the lights. Go with the bumper filler next, then the bumper, and then the fender. We got all the replacement parts here. Bumper I haven't even opened yet. It's black and then primer. I got the bumper filler. Got the new grill. So I have to swap the parts over, the emblem and all. Got my tools out here. I got the fender over here. Came in a little banged up, but I gotta get it painted anyway. So somebody will fix it once I get it painted. But let's get it going. So I got the fender on, lines up pretty good to be aftermarket or whatever. We'll call it good for right now. Got most of the stuff all switched over. I got a lot of bolts in, just started to line it up. Put my bumper on. It's not quite lining up. Got to massage these mounting bolts a little bit to get it to line up some more. Because when the collision happened, this was pushed in, so all of the four bumper mounting surfaces are kind of cattywampus. But it's starting to look good. So after a few days of fooling around and some rain or whatever, finally got it done. Got the new grill, lights replaced, new black bumper, new bumper filler, same old valance at the bottom, and new fender. Looks good for what it is. It came in, it said primer, but it looks like some kind of flat paint. But my paint wasn't that shiny to begin with, so I guess it works out. Yeah. Only thing is, I think I'm gonna buy new bumper mounts because this one sits out a little further and this one sits in. I actually like the way this one sits in. But what I'm gonna do is buy new bumper mounts and then slot them so I can put the bumper wherever I want. I think I'm gonna put it further back, which means I'm also gonna have to do something with this corner because the wheels are gonna rub that bumper. But for all practical purposes, I believe it's all done. I like the look. We're gonna call that good. Only other thing I want to do to the outside is fender flares. I already have those big fender flares. Get rid of this chrome trim, and I want to find a newer rear bumper, new style Silverado with the corner step in black, and make that fit. And then I'll basically be done with the outside, other than getting it painted. But there we are, all finished for now. Till next time.